Types of sinus tympani. Based on its depth, the sinus tympani is classified into three types with an equal frequency in the population. Type A is a shallow sinus tympani. It is small and does not reach the level of the vertical portion of the facial nerve. In such cases, surgical transcanal access to the sinus tympani is possible. In type B, the sinus tympani is of indeterminate depth. It lies medial to the vertical portion of the facial nerve but does not extend posteriorly deeper than the level of the facial nerve. A total and clear visualization of such sinus tympani may not be achieved without the use of an endoscope. Any blind dissection in the sinus tympani without an endoscope visualization carries a risk of residual disease or a possible injury to a dehiscent facial nerve or a high jugular bulb. Type C is the sinus tympani which is very deep. It extends posteriorly more deeply than the vertical portion of the facial nerve. This type is frequently encountered in a well-nematized mastoid. Despite the use of an autoendoscope, the pathology of such a deep sinus cannot be explored entirely from the media. Therefore, access should be obtained through a transmastoid retrofacial approach. This approach requires enough distance of more than 2 mm between the facial nerve and the posterior semicircular canal. Otherwise, these structures can easily be injured. The three types of sinus tympani.